Hello, my name is John Messiter, and this is for assignment 9.1 for the University of Maryland Global Campus. The course is the data 629041. The session is for summer of 2022, and it's for Professor Prasanna Mehta. This is the Nifty 50 stocks, and what will the Nifty 50 volume be in 2023? So a little background on the Nifty 50. It's a diversified 50 stock index accounting for 13 sectors of the economy. It's used for a variety of purposes, such as benchmarking fund portfolios, index-based derivatives, and index funds. The data that I used is the price history and trading volumes of the 50 stocks in the index Nifty 50 from the NSE, or the National Stock Exchange of India. The data sets are a day level with pricing and trading values for each stock, and the data spans from January of 2000 through April of 2021. So first we're just going to take a look at the close value. So we get the close on the y-axis, the data on the x, just the full 21 years, all 50 stocks, and there are a couple stocks that really stand out in terms of having very high volume compared to a lot of the other ones here, probably about 95% here at the bottom. So here we take a look at the scatter plot, and again, those couple of the outliers I was talking about, these four stocks really are the ones that I was talking about. So we have the lows and the highs in terms of the volume, and what's interesting to point out here is taking a look at the p-value, which indicates a significant trend model, and the r-square, which shows that it makes a good fit and predictor. So here we're actually going to take a look at the top 12 stocks, and this is going to be showing from the history from the year 2000 all the way through 2021. So this would take into account all the market fluctuations, so you can really take a look and really see truly how the stock volume has fluctuated over those 21 years. So here we're going to take a look at the volume to delivery volume pie chart. So all the different colors would represent all 50 stocks. So the difference between the volume, or the traded volume, and the delivery volume is that the traded volume is the total number of shares traded in a day, and the delivery volume is the intraday volume minus the total volume. This also shows the totals on an annual basis. So if we wanted to look at, say, Tata Motors here, we can actually look at the individual years if we want to take a look at that, or we can look at the full 21 years all at once. Next and lastly, we're actually going to take a look at the volume and the forecast for 2023. Now what you can see, just looking at the fluctuation from the 2000 all the way to 2023 there, it takes into account the dot-com bubble, the global financial crisis, the taper tantrum, and obviously the latest COVID pandemic. So a couple of different events that actually had occurred over those 21 years. What I did in this slide is actually, in terms of the forecast length, I looked at the 3 years and looked at the aggregate by automatic, and I used a 95% prediction interval. So really the source we're looking at here would be from that 2000 through 2020, and then the forecast through 2023 showing that 406 billion, and actually if I were to continue this, it goes out to 606 billion. Now to put that into perspective, if we look at the average volume on a daily basis for the New York Stock Exchange, currently that's at 1.9 billion. And then lastly, as we wrap up here, I just wanted to point out that the data set was actually provided by Kaggle. So thank you very much.